Harbor Freight Black Widow HTE spray gun, part 2. Now that I've got the right spray gun. So if you guys remember, I was painting this hood on that while I'm practicing applying Rust-Oleum. And I couldn't, if you watched my video, maybe I'll even have this up before my last video, but I could not, I have a Black Widow spray gun. Right here. I've been using it for a long time. Been real happy with it, except for yesterday when I was trying to set it up to spray, I couldn't get it right. It was acting really weird, so I took it apart, tried to clean it really good, and I don't know. I tried to shoot it today, still doing the same thing, but Harbor Freight Tools, of course, has that same gun on sale for $50 off, so I went and got it. We're gonna unbox that today. I originally got the HVLP gun, but that's not the one I've had. I've had this HTE, so I had to take it back and get it. That's why this restock fee is highlighted. It was $129.99. That's $50 off. I got the 2-year replacement plan. The way I figured it, my previous spray gun lasted me, I don't know, 3 or 4 years. I didn't use it very much, but I used it, you know, and I think it went south on me. But there's nobody to fix them, and you can't get parts for them. So I really liked that gun. It was somewhat affordable. It was really good for a while. So I got the 2-year replacement plan. If this gun lasts 2 years before that replacement plan is up, I'm just going to take the gun back and get a new one. I say we unbox this bugger. Oh, by the way, they don't come with cups anymore. When they first came out with these, they came out with a plastic cup, you know, standard issue. But now they want you to use a deal like this. It's disposable system. It comes with this. I already have this stuff, so I didn't go ahead and buy it, but it's not very much. I think it was $14 for the starter pack. And somebody does not want me to get into this box. Could probably use a new blade on this knife too. Okay, you got the adapter for the deal, owner's manual, and the gun. This is the exact gun that I've had. They sell one that's $20 more. It has this, this is the fan adjust. It has this fan adjust on the back of the gun, but I don't really care that much. It's not worth 20 extra bucks to me. And this was nice. I didn't have to buy this. We're gonna set this gun up exactly like the old one, and then we're gonna test them side by side to see, just to see the difference. Anyway, there's some instructions in this. I know because I read the owner's manual on the HVLP gun that had some startup instructions, and basically you just set your air, it tells you how to set your air pressure and shoot some solvent through the gun. I believe it was on page 10 and 11. Yeah, so we'll get this all set up. We'll spray the stuff through it, and we'll get back with you. As far as the cup goes, I have that set up, but I also bought these. The steel right here. We're gonna use instead, I don't have 2 of these setups here. I only have 1, and I wanted to compare them side by side, so we're going to use these instead, and they'll be okay. And it works pretty much just like a regular paint cup. Comes with an adapter for the right size. I'll probably put it in a cross-threaded though, just so I can make sure I spill paint all over the brand new gun. All right, we're gonna go set up the air pressure. Air pressure at the compressor is supposed to be set at 60. Nope, it's 70 on this one. The HTE, that makes sense because it's high transfer efficiency, so that might be right. And then open the air control knob fully. That's this one, counterclockwise. It's open. And open the fuel control knob for counterclockwise. All right. when I twist this in, it's hitting this lever so it can't go any further. So that it's fully open. Got the air compressor set to 70. It's close enough when you release the air, it goes to 70. So it's at 70. As far as setting up the gun, this is all about attaching the cup. Then open the fluid control knob until 4 threads are showing. That's basically what we did. And then we squeeze the handle here. I don't know if I showed this before, but I open this up, you squeeze the handle, and then you turn this in until it stops. That means it's hitting the body. If you push it out like that, you can turn it more in, but we don't want that. We want it fully open. So there, we're fully open there. And the rest of it is just stuff. So just to show you, this is set fully open. This is turned all the way counterclockwise. This air control is turned all the way to counterclockwise. I have this same regulator, and you saw the compressor was set to 70. This is my old gun. All right, we'll set it at the same settings. All right, screw it till it, okay. So that's fully open. This is fully open. This is fully open, and we're using the same cup, same regulators. All right, the only difference is I bought better ones of these, but I don't think it's gonna matter that much. So we're almost ready to start our test, but I gotta go to my daughter's choir for high school, and it usually only takes about an hour, so we'll be back. We'll do this side-by-side test when I get back. See you in a minute. Well, for you, it'll just be a little while, but it'll be like an hour and a half or 2 hours for me. I didn't show you this when I was unboxing it, but so you get the manual, the gun, and then this little toolkit. That's included. Oh, and don't buy this either because that comes in the kit. This is the adapter for that disposable gun cup, paint cup deal. We're back. I don't know. Every one of those songs was sad. I mean, every one of them. Slow and sad. And I don't know. I would think that singing Kickstart My Heart from Motley Crue might make those kids, it might adrenalize them, make them feel great, make them feel like they could conquer the world. Enough of that. My daughter, she's a good singer, and she's getting better, and she likes choir, so that's what's important, right? Anyway, so now that I'm home and I'm ready to do some testing, my son wants to spend some time with me. So I got to sign off for the day. I'll get back to this tomorrow. We'll see you then. It's really windy today. We're back at it. Spent some time with the boy last night. Today we're going to get back on the pairing my new HTE Black Widow with my old HTE Black Widow. We're going to check the new one first, and we're going to have the same settings. Check the spray pattern on both guns. All right, we've got this. I'm not going to show you because it's filled with liquid, but this is all the way open. This is all the way, this fan is all the way open, and this air is all the way open. Got the PSI. Looks like it's set to, we'll set it to 2 bars. Probably too much. I'll set it at 20. All right, spray pattern. Do this about 7 inches away. Right there. I can't hardly see anything. It's like it was coming out all the way up here. Yeah, that's too much air. But let's check the other guy. This is the old gun. See, it doesn't look new. This is all the way open. This is all the way open. This is all the way open. Oh, PSI. We're at 20. It looks like we're shooting exactly the same. All right, let's turn the air down. Man, I don't. All right, that's the old gun. Let's try the new one. See if we can get it to perform any better. I just think that's not enough air pressure. It would clear down around 10 psi. It's still too much. Turn the fan down. There, turn the fan down. All right, we had to turn the fan down. And we're at about 18 psi. Fans turned down. Air's still fully open. And this is full fluid. It's a little wet up here. Turn the fluid down. We'll take, and there's no mark. There's no mark on this. We're going to turn the. I'm going to put a little scratch in it. See, I put a little mark on it. So we'll turn this in about a half a turn. That's going to knock the fluid level output down. All right, try that. That was a little thick in the middle. We'll turn our air pressure up a little bit. Sitting at 20. That's better. That's way better. You see that? All right. We'll do the same on the other gun. All right, the old gun. Turn this up to 20. And I've got a mark on this one. You see? Right there. We'll just turn that. All right. I didn't turn the fan down. All right, we're going to try this one again. We're going to turn this fan back almost a whole turn. Right there. And we're still at 20 psi. We're going to back the fluid back one. I did it a half a turn on the new gun. We'll do it a half a turn on this gun to see. I'm about 7 inches away. That's still way too much. All right, fresh spot right here. One more. That looks okay. A little heavy in the center, but we got air pressure at 30 in the gun. That looks better. That looks okay. One more over right here. I think that's okay. All right, so this we're at 30 at the gun. Our fan is damn near shut. That's all it has to go to shut it. And then our air up here, well, that's what we tested it at, was 30. Let's get the new gun out and see if it performs about the same. All right, so that's all the way open. It's about, I think, 2/3 the way to fully close. Let's see, this is wide open, so yeah, this is wide open. Let me check the other gun and see what it is. See what it's holding back right here. So it's cut back to about between 4 and 5. We're about the same. We're gonna crank that up to 30. Looks down there the same. Let's try kicking this in one full turn. Definitely needs more fluid. Oh, we're out of fluid. Get some more. All right, we're back to halfway turn in, 3/4 2/3 shut. This adjusted so it's 30 pounds. That still needs more fluid. Maybe. So let's twist it out instead of in. That fan is just too wide at that setting. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty good. So, I think that's it. I think we'll call that good. Well, my non-scientific method says that both guns are still good. Yeah, the old one might be a little heavy on the top, a tiny little bit, but it's probably just a setting. So I just guess I didn't need to go buy that other gun. Oh well, now I got 2 guns. I'd take it back, but I think there's a $40 restocking fee if I decide I don't want it, so it's okay. Anyway, that's it for this video. Not sure if I'll have this one out by the time I'm done experimenting with my Restock aim or not. Thanks for visiting My Hobby Prison, and I'll see you on the next one.